Okay, so today we're rating EAS alarm tier list makers. So today we're gonna rate EAS alarms from around the world. And these are all of the ones we're gonna be doing. So yeah. So first we're doing a regular USA. I mean, it will do the job, so I guess if I can find it. Okay, next up is the Canadian one. That's pretty scary, not gonna lie, so it's here. Next, let's do the Japanese one. How is this an alarm? Like, imagine terrorists are invading Japan and you just hear.
Transition.
Next, we have the French one. Sounds like some sort of Morse code. Next up, we have the South Korean one. That sounds like the Windows dial-up thing from the 2000s. Okay, South Korea. Here. Next, we have the Spanish one. I'm disappointed. How is this why? Scary. Next, we have, let's do UK. Yeah, that's pretty scary, I guess. Let's put it scary. Okay. Next up, we have Brazil. Sounds like some sort of military alarm. Yeah, that's pretty scary. Brazil. I'm terrified. Okay, next up, we have Saudi Arabia. This actually sounds like some sort of Egyptian movie. Okay, Saudi Arabia. It's pretty scary. Next up, we have just China. Oh yeah, that's pretty scary, but still not scary enough. So here you go. Next up, we have the Swedish one. I mean, it's not that scary. It's pretty high pitched. I'll tell you that. So, nah. Next up, we have the one from Turkey. Sounds like a siren as well. Okay, Turkey, scary. Next up, we have the Russian one. Sounds like a narwhal dying. This is not scary at all, but like, I guess like. Okay, next up we have the Polish one. These are all stupid sirens. Oh. Okay, I guess it could go. Okay, Polish is not here. Okay, whatever. Australia. That is pretty scary. That is like. I'm terrified. Okay, you didn't do Germany yet. What is this? Megalovabdialia? Okay, next up we have Denmark. I hear someone saying something in the background. Okay, this is pretty scary, but like not that much, so it's scary. Next up we have India. Uh-oh, India sounds pretty scary. But why? I thought this would be scary. Why? Okay, next up we have Italy. I'm honestly disappointed. This is like someone jumping on a trampoline. Why? That's... Honestly though. Okay, next up we have Indonesia. That's not that scary, but it's not that bad, so I guess it's scary. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, because this is probably going to be stuck in my head all night, and yeah, so like and subscribe for more, and
Bye.